Hey everyone, it's Amy here, and welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Sorry it's been so long, but I've been on vacation. If you love cruising, ocean views, and eating way too much at the buffet, you're in the right place. Today we've got some major updates in the cruise world. Princess Cruises just cancelled a bunch of trips, Alaska is drowning in tourists, and there's a brand new ship that's basically a floating Rio Carnival. So let's dive in. First up, Princess Cruises has cancelled multiple sailings from Galveston, Texas, between November 2026 and March 2027. If you were planning a future cruise from Texas, you might need a backup plan, like, I don't know, swimming. The reason? Princess says it's all part of their global fleet deployment strategy, which is just a fancy way of saying they're moving things around. But don't panic. If you were booked, you'll get a full refund, and maybe even a free drink to cry into. But hey, there's still time to catch a cruise from Galveston. The Regal Princess is sticking around until March 2026. So if Texas is your go-to port, book while you can. Now let's talk Seattle. This year, they're expecting nearly 2 million cruise passengers to pass through. That's a record! Great news for the economy, but locals, not so thrilled. Imagine trying to get a coffee, but every cafe is packed with people wearing fanny packs and asking where the closest authentic seafood spot is. Yep, that's Seattle's reality right now. To keep things under control, officials are capping the number of ships and passengers. So if you're planning a cruise from Seattle, just know you might be part of a very exclusive crowd, like VIP, but with more sun visors. Speaking of exclusivity, let's talk about luxury. Regent Seven Seas is working on a brand new ship, the Seven Seas Prestige, set to debut in 2026. And let me tell you, this thing is next level. Imagine 5-star dining, insane suites, and service so fancy you'll feel like royalty, even if you're wearing flip-flops. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury experience, this is it. But if you're more into party vibes, you're gonna love this. Celebrity Cruises is launching a brand new ship, the Celebrity Xcel, and it's bringing Rio Carnival to the high seas. That means live performances, markets, craft shops, and cocktails flowing non-stop. Basically, it's like going to Brazil without needing a passport. If you see me awkwardly trying to samba while holding a piña colada, no you didn't. So, quick recap. Princess Cruises is cancelling some Galveston sailings. Seattle is about to be packed with cruise tourists. Regent Seven Seas is getting even more luxurious. And Celebrity Cruises is turning up the party. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or just an excuse to eat 3 desserts in one sitting, there's a cruise for that. What do you think about all this? Are you booked on any of these sailings? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates from the world of cruising. Until next time, stay salty, my friends.